So hello everyone. Today it is raining and I am just standing here in that cottage where I was standing yesterday. I was recording my video. But it is very dark, so that is why my face is not visible, and that's why I'm just recording. I'm just showing you the outside view. So here you can see, everywhere you can see only crop, only paddy crop and this sugarcane crop. And this is the view of this village. So yeah, today we are going to learn English just through this paddy crop. This paddy crop, how farmers are working to grow their paddy crop. How hard they work. Some people say that while learning English language we are not achieving fluency and we are not speaking this language, we are unable to speak this language, and how long time does it take, how long time it is taking, right? So many things that they talk about. So that is why we are going to discuss about that, how long time this paddy crop takes and how hard work we have to do in order to grow this paddy crop. Okay, so first of all I would like to share with you that you know what, we all have sown the seeds of learning English in our mind, right? In the same way the farmers have sown the paddy seeds in their fields. Okay, and now what they are doing and what we are doing, they every day they are growing, they are just looking after their field. Every day they come and they look after their field. And like, first of all, what they do, first of all, see what is their work, how they grow their crop, and how we grow, how we learn English. Okay, so if I talk about the farmers, like how farmers, if I talk about the farmers, how farmers grow their paddy from very beginning. So now I am just sitting here on this threshold and my face is visible now here, clear, you can see here. So okay, we were talking about that paddy crop, right? How farmers grow their paddy crop and how we grow our English, how we improve our English. I know very well that I am making mistakes while pronouncing some of the words because I am also a learner. Okay, so don't mind, please let me just talk and let me speak whatever I am speaking the way I am speaking, right? So yeah, first of all, what happens actually, in order to grow the paddy crop, first of all they have to buy it from the shop, right? And then they keep soaked their paddy with water. Like, yeah, they wet the paddy, yeah, they keep wet the paddy and with water. And when the paddy seeds start sprouting, then simply they just take it and they carry it to the field, and then they sow it in their field, right? In the corner of the field, not whole field, but in the corner of the field, and that is called paddy nursery. When it grows, then it is called paddy nursery. Okay, so it takes, I think so, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 30. Some people just they uproot their paddy nursery very far, like in a like after 20 days. And some people they uproot their paddy nursery after 30 days. Some people they uproot their paddy after like 15 days. Okay, so it is not an exact time. If it is uprootable, then they just start uprooting it, and then they just start transplanting. So first of all they just sow it in the corner of the field, and when it grows, then they apply fertilizer also, and they apply like herbicide and pesticide, yeah, different types of like insecticides. Okay, this kind of pesticide they just spray in that paddy nursery. so that it can be protected, okay, by this type of insects, and by the grass also, okay. And after that, what happens when it grows and when the time comes to transplant, yeah, to transplant this paddy in their field, then first of all they make their field puddled, okay, by the tractor. They fill the water, yeah, they fill the water to the brim, okay. And then they just they make the puddled field, they make their field puddled by the tractor. And after that they start transplanting, okay, transplanting, like they start transplanting with so many people, like like if someone has a very large, very big field, so he needs so many people. If someone has like a small field, so he can do it with the help of two people or with the help of three or more than three, okay. So it is only, it is totally depend on the field, right? So then after that, what happens when it grows, then after some time he irrigates it, he waters, then he looks after it. Then after some time, so much grass grows, and that is called, like, when we uproot that grows, when we uproot that grass, then that is called weeding, okay, weeding, like uprooting that grass is called weeding. So after just weeding, after watering, after irrigating a lot of time, like after um, like 2 weeks or 1 week, if it rains in between those days, so there is no need to irrigate the field. But if it doesn't rain, if it doesn't rain, then we have to irrigate it, okay, because it needs water, it really needs water, okay. And and how many times we have to apply the fertilizer also. And listen to me carefully, one thing I would like to share with you, my friend. If you are learning English, so whatever I'm speaking, if it is usable for you, if you are unaware about these type of sentences, like how to say applying fertilizer, okay, and if you are learning English language, so my friend, try to observe each and every sentence. If you are thinking that yes, it is usable for me, it is learnable for me, so try to note it down and try to learn it. Try to speak also, okay, try to speak after me, okay, if it is usable for you. If you are a beginner and you are thinking that how to say this thing, how to say that thing, so with the help of this with the help of this paddy crop, we can learn these kind of sentences, we can make these kind of sentences, and we can learn English language in this way, okay. So yeah, if I talk about like applying the fertilizer, then we first of all we apply the fertilizer, then the grass grows, so much grass grows, and then we have to spray many types of insecticides and pesticide, it is called, like herbicide, and insecticide is called pesticide, okay. And one more thing, like that is called rodenticide, but it comes when this paddy crop grows, okay, then it becomes, when it becomes mature, okay. Then then after that, after just applying the first time, after just applying the fertilizer first time, then we have to then we have to spray the pesticide, and after that we have to irrigate it time to time. And then after some time it grows, then it grows, then it grows, then when it ripens, yeah, when it ripens, then we have to harvest it, okay. And in harvesting also it takes so much time, and it asks so much energy also, okay. It is a very hard work, it's a very hard, to grow this field and to harvest this field also. For a person, if he is doing by his own self, by himself, if he is doing or she is doing by himself or herself, so it is very hard work, okay. So if we are doing it, like if we are making it done by any type of combine, any type of machine, any harvester, so it is not as much as much hard, we are making it harvested by the combined by the machine, so it is not so much hard. Okay, and simply we have to pay money, and then we can keep it, we can keep this crop, we can keep this paddy grain in our home easily. There is no problem. So in the same way, how they are working hard every single day, they have to like look after, and they have to apply so many things, pesticide, and they have to apply the fertilizer so much, and spray like these kind of things. So many things the farmers have to do, so many things the farmers have to do, right? And we are thinking to learn English language, that we can learn English just after this much time, after that much time. My friend, see how less work we are doing in order to learn English language, and how hard work they are doing in order to grow the crop only. Okay, and it is time, it is taking 6 months. It takes 6 months to become mature crop, to become a ripened crop. Okay, and if it is a crop and it is taking too much time, it is taking so much time, it is taking 6 months or maybe more than that, so it's a language that we are speaking, that we are learning. Okay, so it can take so much time. Okay, so my friend, don't be impatient, and once you will be able to speak some of the things, once you will be able to form the sentences, once you will be able to frame the sentences easily, then you will see the improvement in your English. Just try to implement these kind of things, this type of sentences in your daily life. Try to think from here what to say this thing in English. Just you should have that kind of curiosity to know about the sentences, to know about the things, what to say this thing in English, what to say that thing in English. Okay, in the same way, like farmers, they first of all they sow the seed of paddy. The same way we have sown our seeds of learning English language in our mind. Okay, and now it is our turn, it is the time to grow it, it is the time to look after it, it is the time to apply the fertilizer, it is the time to irrigate the this type of crop, whatever is growing in our mind. So every single day do something, learn something, each and every single day learn something. Don't break the consistency. Okay, see, if you don't have so much time, so my friend, don't avoid learning. Whether you are learning only one vocabulary, whether you are learning only one sentences, but learn. Okay, the condition is you should learn each and every day. Don't break the consistency, don't try to avoid speaking, don't try to avoid learning. Okay, whatever you are able to learn, just learn that thing, don't avoid. Okay, and just we are not working as much hard as the farmers are doing. Okay, we are just sitting and we are learning, we are just walking for speaking, these kind of things we are doing. We are not doing something really hard. Okay, so it is not a big deal at all. I'm also learning, I'm also making mistakes, I'm also unaware about so many things, I'm also learning, and I'm also improving my English language. I'm also struggling while speaking English language, I'm also afraid about so many things. But am I stopping this? Am I not learning this? Am I just losing motivation? Am I losing this type of that I cannot speak, I cannot do this, I cannot do that, I cannot achieve fluency? No, I cannot do that, because I know very well that one day I will speak better than this. So that is why I'm saying that believe, that is why I'm saying believe in yourself. Okay, and try to speak every single day, try to do whatever you can do. Okay, and in the last you will see that you are able to speak English language. Okay, so my friend, in this way we can get motivation through this paddy crop, and we can learn so many things just through this paddy crop and through the farmers. Okay, and just try to keep it up, and each and every single day learn English. Okay, So this is what I wanted to share with you. I hope this video will be little bit motivational and helpful for you. Thank you for watching.